Okay guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today, and yes, let me just say though, eye game on fleek. Listen, boo. Okay, so on my lips, I'm wearing INGLOT's number 405. It's like a nude lipstick, but like a dark nude. And then over that, I just tapped my NYX ButterGloss in Vanilla Cream Pie. I just tapped that all over. And to line my lips, I use Miss Kaleej lip liner in 208, this one that you guys know I'm always using. So yeah, what else? For the palettes I used my Take Me to Brazil palette and my INGLOT Freedom System. I'll link in the description bar below the colors in this Freedom System, as well as everything else. Well, actually everything that I did not mention now, that I'm not mentioning now, will be in the description bar below. Oh, for my highlights I use shades, where is it? No, for my highlights I use It's Your Face Cosmetics Figi Baked Bronzing Powder. I use this one here just for my highlights. I'm not wearing any blush. And for my brows, I'm wearing Airwoman, I believe, or Diva, I don't know. It's like this purple color for my brows. To line my eyes hair, I use Airwoman, and it's a brown pencil. And for the black hair, I use my MAC Smolder Khol. And for the liquid liner that I've been using throughout this tutorial is my H2O Pro, and it's by WETnWILD. Yeah, so it's a long enough intro and stuff that I used. Foundation routine, and yeah, this foundation routine will be linked in the description bar below. Really hope you guys enjoyed this one. It is very dramatic, and I really love it. I really love it. So I hope you guys will love it as well. Oh, and on my inside I'm wearing Penny Arcade by Just His Girl. Alright, so I love it. Hope you guys like it, and yeah, that's it.
God bless you, boy, DJ, representing Mark Dove. Now we out, we got love. On the battlefield, hear me I say no. Say my God is an awesome king. Me link him when me want something. And even though some people are walk and attack that song, and me want come sing, tell them say God me defense and him a me fortress. Though you know see the fence, me I beg you don't test. Don't trespass, cause him a the boss out. All of me friends, God him a the closest. God me defense and him a me fortress. Though you know see the fence, me I beg you don't test. Don't trespass, cause him a the boss out. All of me friends, God him a the closest. So you are, when me pocket fat like it now have no ear. No me now ball like say me now have no ear. Cause me father is a miracle working God, and me know him can make a way out of nowhere. So anytime him talk and me go like me don't hear. Him still a pick me up and lift me now have no fear. So me chat him at the 4 ears. So the father give me strength to go over the hill like he's a low gear. Hey, tell them we living at the last days, and me see the sign them is so clear. There shall be wars and rumors of wars. In at the end of days, me tell you it's so near. Yo, God me defense and him a me fortress. Though you know see the fence, me I beg you don't test. Don't trespass, cause him a the boss out. All of me friends, God him a the closest. Judge me defense and him a me fortress. Though you know see the fence, me I beg you don't test. Don't trespass, cause him a the boss out. All of me friends, God him a the closest. Me a go wait like the people them down on the bus stop there. Wait like the cargo what they on the bus stop there. Now go sell out like the goods in the shop there. We living at the last days, and me no mean a sad day. Time I go note if you no believe see a clock there. Which part me come from, no me nah go back there. Cause the devil is a thief, is a liar, but him can't come around because see the cop there. Jesus Christ, who show me the way like the map there. So the devil can't make me fall in the trap there. And even if me fall down, me not stay on the ground like a rock there. Because me tell them say, God a me defense and him a me fortress. Though you don't see the fence, me I beg you don't test. Don't trespass, cause him a the boss out. All of me friends, God him a the closest. God a me defense and him a me fortress. Though you don't see the fence, me I beg you don't test. Don't trespass, cause him a the boss out. All of me friends, God him a the closest. So you are, when me pocket flat like it now have no ear. No me now ball like say me now have no ear. Cause me father is a miracle working God, and me know him can make a way out of nowhere. So anytime him talk and me go like me don't hear. Him still a pick me up and lift me now have no fear. So me chat him at the 4 ears. So the father give me strength to go over the hill like he's a low gear. Hey, tell them we living at the last days, and me see the sign them is so clear. There shall be wars and rumors of wars. In at the end of days, me tell you it's so near. God a me defense and him a me fortress. Though you don't see the fence, me I beg you don't test. don't trespass. Cause him a the boss out, all of me friends got him a the closest. Judge on me defense and him a me fortress. No, you don't see the fence, me I beg you don't test. Don't trespass. Cause him a the boss out, all of me friends got him a the closest. God on me defense and him a me fortress. No, you don't see the fence, me I beg you don't test. Don't trespass. Cause him a the boss out, all of me friends got him a the closest. God on me defense and him a me fortress. No, you don't see the fence, me I beg you don't test. Don't trespass. Cause him a the boss out, all of me friends got him a the closest.
Yeah, glory be to God, you know.
Yeah.
I go as a spirit lead, you know.
Yes, my brother.
Right now.
Yeah.
Now low.
Yeah.
No farm a devil to lead us.
None whatsoever.
We speak saying, thus saith the Lord, God Almighty. Okay, praise.
Yo, send me no response. Do not miss a relocator. To me the devil now go get me no instigator. Now go get a chance to turn you to in a traitor. Jesus Christ, him a my liberator.
Send me no response. Straight up a relocator. To me the devil now go get me no instigator. Now go get no chance to turn you to in a traitor. Jesus Christ, him a my
Come in the
liberator.
days when me ride, me flip the pick up back a gun. Bust it from sunrise, go straight into sundown. But on the blood of Jesus that a loco calm me down. That's why me give my life to Christ, because I eat me blood now. Run me tell them about my testimony, them take it for fun. Try to use me every day, just to make a money run. So watch who you call friend, because of them will kill you now. Them smile up in your face, behind your back, I gun you down. Listen to about them top of people, them a fire burn. Friendship and faithful, vanity make them come. When me see certain boy, the father know me now go run. Because me can't escape them, so when me see them, me now go turn ta.
Send me no response. Straight up a relocator. To me the devil now go get me no instigator. Now go get no chance to turn you to in a traitor. Jesus Christ, him a my liberator.
Send me no response. Do not miss a relocator. To me the devil now go get me no instigator. Now go get no chance to turn you to in a traitor. Jesus Christ, him a my liberator.
Me say me done chat. Me dem on fire for Christ like a gunshot. This is a one-way road, me can't turn back. Got the daily bread in a me lunch pack. I need the K again because me done strap. Read the word of God, he's a nerd for God. Me used to salt like the fries in all the burger bar. But Christ clean me up like a janitor. Now we can watch over me life like a monitor. So make me dupes them, know say me love them. But now me change cause me put Father God above them. Me carry me guns them like a mortician. Me separated unto Christ, partition. Me got ambition, soldier, bad mission. You can't see say Christ are the way, bad vision. Me alone I must give thanks for Christ, cause I him alone I keep me from the
Youngster Lord, send me no response. Do not miss a relocator. To me the devil now go get me no instigator. Now go get no chance to turn you to in a traitor. Jesus Christ, him a my liberator.
Send me no response. Straight up a relocator. To me the devil now go get me no instigator. Now go get no chance to turn you to in a traitor. Jesus Christ, him a my
Man a go
liberator.
continually, no care who want criticize. Box and bad vampires, them want to take the life. Plotting behind me, but I can see it in their eyes. Trying to pull me down, cause them no want to send me rise. Fire it a go burn the heat them from every side. Your eyes, open them wide, the time to realize. Say Jesus Christ, I feel me king, that he protect me life. Stop bad mind, get God mind, and come back in the light. Alright, you know, now go boost a 9, me now go boost a clock. Cause in the word of God, you know, say that me ever strap. Have it long, now me carry it in a me backpack. And on the enemy, you know, say do not miss a trap.
My armor make me stand firm, despite the situation. Yeah, J Project.
Firmer than a million soldier ready for launch attack. Firmer than the Eiffel Top. Firmer than when you press your clothes and you use starch a lot. Firmer than the escape out of Saddam and Gomorrah. Me attack a lot. Stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis all around we stand. I beg you stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand no crisis planted just like a tree. He shall not wither in any season. He shall not lose one leaf. Stop on Jesus Christ if you lean on and be strong. And like the cliche say, stand up firm just like a lily on the house. So when all around is like quicksand, just lift hands to the King and stick to Jesus like he's your Siamese twin. And never depart from him, never stay far from him, and never you surrender. Stand firm with everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand up, Christ is solid rock. We stand up, beg you stand firm with everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand up, Christ is solid rock. We stand up, beg you stand firm. Like the Great Wall down in China, me, Satan get behind her. Blessed is the man that walking up with the ungodly, we never join that. See up on the right path, never slide back. Never use some man, never lie back. Pick yourself up off the ground when Satan want you, never hear judgment day are you, me want decide. Want me one of them sheep because nothing now when me glide. Not support terrorism, I act terrorism. This stand firm just like the youth, them where them are hunting Al-Qaeda. Stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand up, Christ is solid rock. We stand up, beg you stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand up, Christ is solid rock. We stand up, beg you stand firm. Greater is he who's planted just like a tree. He shall not wither in any season. He shall not lose one leaf. Stop on Jesus Christ if you lean on and be strong. And like the cliche say, stand up firm just like a lily on the house. So when all around is like quicksand, just lift hands to the King and stick to Jesus like he's your Siamese twin. And never depart from him, never stay far from him, and never you surrender. Stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand up, Christ is solid rock. We stand up, beg you stand firm when everybody round you want to beat the man. Yeah, stand firm just like the Gideon. Stand firm when all around is sinking. Stand up, Christ is solid rock. We stand up, beg you stand firm.